add one more drawing. Once you open the drawing, you have to follow that same thing. Limits, lower left corner is 0, 0, okay. Upper right corner is 420 cross 297. So it is A3 size. Press enter. Go to grid. Go to limits. Press no. Z enter, A enter. So this is how it will look. Units, set the units as millimeters and precision as 0.0000, like this. Now I want to create this particular object. I want to create this particular object. Okay, so copy this and paste it here. Okay, so resize it. Now move it. Exactly. Now start drawing. Now we have a circle of 80 dia. We have a circle of 80 dia. So draw a circle of 80 dia. Go to diameter 80. No. Now we have two more circles, right here and right here, and the distance are 46 between them. Okay, so do one thing. Press ortho. Pick the center, huh? Snap the center. Now we can draw a circle here. So circle at 23. 46 divided by 2, 23. So from here, how much distance? 23. This side. Okay. So at this end point, draw a circle of dia 26. Go to dia and 26. Exactly. Now mirror. MI, enter. Select this, enter. First point of mirror line, second point of mirror line. No. Okay. Now we can create a fillet between these two circle to create an arc. I have already explained. Go to fillet. What is the radius? 24. Go to radius 24. Select this and this. Again, select this and this. So this is done. 24 was the radius. F enter. Radius was 24, right? Yes. Correct. Perfect. Okay. After this, we have one hole here. Okay. What are the diameter? See, 18 and 36. So how I can create? See, the horizontal distance is 55 and the vertical distance is 56. So draw a line right here. It will be 56 and this direction it is 55. Go to circle. See, the diameter is 36 and another is diameter 18, like that. Okay, so this is done. Now you can see here we have an arc. We have an arc of 52 radius. Arc of 52 radius. How to create arc? Using fillet. Go to fillet, F enter. Radius is 52. Give radius as 52. Select this and this. Okay, so you can see this is the center of this particular arc. So from that center, you have to draw a circle of radius 88. From that center, you have to draw a circle of radius 88. That's what it is being shown here. Let us try that. Draw a circle. Let us take this as center and radius is 88. See. Draw a circle of radius 88 center will be the arc. Okay, TR, double enter, select this. Okay, delete all these things like that. Now we have to create a fillet of 16 radius. F enter, go to radius. Radius is 16. Select this and this. Okay, now you can trim this part. TR, double enter, means double time enter. So this is done. Okay, and you can delete these lines. Yes. Now you have to draw this one as well. What is the radius? Actually, diameter is given. Diameter of 14 and 30. And what should be the distance? It is directly vertically downward of 75 mm length. So from here, let us pick the center rather. Let me delete this line so that I can pick the center. Yes. Center. This is the center. Once you hover your mouse now, you will be able to pick the center. How much distance? Downward 75. Okay. Now go to circle. Go to circle. Dia is 30 and 14. Okay. This is the center. Okay. Dia is 30. And again, the dia is 14. Exactly. Now go to circle again. Go to circle from here. Go to tangent radius. So tangent to this, and radius is 112. See, the radius is 112. 112. Exactly. TR, double enter. This is done and dusted. See, this was drawn, this arc was drawn using circle, or you could have used arc, but circle is quite easier. But here we have to draw the arc. You can draw the arc using circle as well. See, go to tangent radius. Okay, select this, radius is 25, and go to trim, TR, double enter. So you can draw like this as well, or if I delete this, you can go to fillet. Radius will be 25. Go to radius and 25. Select this and this. So like this also you can create arc. Go to hatch. First delete this. Go to hatch. H, enter. Okay. Now select this hatch. Close hatch creation. So this is done. Again, you can create those center lines. Okay. Using the line type properties. That's it.